How to install a strut tower bar in a 6th Gen Celica. This tutorial is for a Laile Beatrush front strut bar. First, remove the stock tower brace by removing the two 14mm bolts. Next, remove the three 14mm strut tower nuts on each side. Then remove the reservoir tank. It's attached to the stock strut tower bar. Use a 10mm socket to unbolt it. Use the existing 14mm bolts to mount this center bracket. Torque it down to 15 foot-pounds. Place the tower brackets on. They will only fit one way, so you can't mess this up. This strut bar comes with two support rods. They are of varying lengths, so it's easy to figure out where they should go. The long one goes on the right side. Make sure you don't bolt down the tower brackets, because you need to insert the bolts for the support rods, and the one tower bolt can be in the way. You will need an 8mm hex bit and a 17mm socket to tighten the bolts for the strut tower bar and support rods. For the side where the support rods mount to the firewall bracket, you'll need a 6mm hex bit and a 12mm socket. The bolt should be inserted towards the firewall. This will make it easier to tighten or remove the strut bar if it's ever needed. This strut bar comes with a separate bracket. This is for the reservoir tank, the tank used to mount on a tab on the stock bar. Now it attaches to an existing part on the firewall. Remove this 10mm nut. Place the bracket on and bolt it down. Now mount the reservoir tank to the bracket. Use the provided screw and nut to secure it down. Install the tower bolts and torque it down to 47 foot-pounds. That concludes this tutorial. Now enjoy your improved handling.